You may have noticed this, but AI is everywhere. It's a disruptive force across businesses, and let's be honest, it probably co-wrote half the posts above and below me here. How did we get here? Well, ABB's been involved in AI research of various kinds since the 1980s, so I'm going to take you through a brief history of artificial intelligence from the 1950s to right now. And we'll start in 1950, which is when British mathematician Alan Turing first posed his groundbreaking question, can machines think? And the Turing test that he came up with, which is a way of testing whether a machine can reliably imitate a human in conversation, became the benchmark for machine intelligence. 6 years later, the American computer scientist John McCarthy held a famous conference in Dartmouth where the term artificial intelligence was used for the first time. That really marks the start of AI as a field, and through the 60s and 70s, research picked up speed. In 1966, Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT invented the first chatbot, although then it was called a chatterbot, named Eliza. It was designed to act as a virtual psychotherapist. In 1980 came XCOM, the first so-called expert system, which was a way of simulating human decision making, and this became a big deal in AI in business. And in fact, by that time too, ABB was already implementing analytical AI, machine learning expert systems at some of its customers' processing plants. By 2012, breakthroughs in big data and neural networking allowed researchers at Google to start training AI computer systems to recognize images, and it's no surprise they used pictures of cats to do this, which probably explains a lot about the current state of the internet. So far, we've mainly been talking about analytical AI, but this brings us to the 2020s, when a whole new generation of large language models, which you and I know as generative AI, broke new ground. Here, AI systems are creating text, code, and images, blurring the line between human and machine creativity. Here at ABB, we're using AI in a whole range of different technologies, driving everything from monitoring emissions to increasing energy efficiency. It's all come a long way from Turing's vision of the future, but in many ways it looks like the story of AI is only just beginning. Where it goes next is up to us.